So these are the grade boundaries for the Edexcel IGCSE Foundation 9 to 1 papers. As you know, there are two papers on each occasion, both worth 100 marks, and both allow the use of a calculator. So I've gone back here to when the 9 to 1 papers started back in the summer of 2018. And what you'll see in this top half, we've got the papers that were available in the UK. We're sat in the UK, and then there's this bottom half is the R papers. So these were the papers sat in the region, so for overseas territories where there's more than a 5-hour time difference. So it just gives us more past papers to practice. Now the numbers in red cross-reference into my YouTube channel, so you can see where they're filed, and I think the grade boundaries are fairly self-explanatory. To get a level 5 you needed to get 73 in that paper and 72 in that, and so on. You'll see that the grade 4 totals are in bold, so those are cast in stone. The paper 1 plus the paper 2 will always exactly equal the total, but you'll see with any of the other grade boundaries that isn't necessarily the case. So for example down there you can see that 68 at 70 doesn't actually equal 136. So in a situation like that, make sure that you get 136 in total. I would focus on that more than the individual papers. Okay, that the 136 is what you would have needed to get a level 5. Now you will see that these papers here are locked. So at the time of writing, so October 2020, Edexcel have not released the papers from the summer of 2019 onwards. In normal circumstances, they release papers to the general public after 9 months, but on this occasion they've kept those locked. So the most up-to-date papers you're going to have on my channel are the paper 4 and 4R. So back from January 2019. As soon as Pearson's unlock these, I will of course add them to the channel. So hope that's of use.